Good morning, friends. I hope y'all are doing awesome. Y'all, I was sitting here getting ready for my Friday team meeting, and I was looking at everything, and you guys really showed up yesterday for the release. We've got several items that have sold out already. Several of my items are low in stock. So I'm so excited. We're all going to be crafting and creating with the new stuff. I don't know what's going on with my hair. Anyway, and thank y'all for the sweet comments about my outfits today. But I wanted to hop on here and say, we've got like a whole section. It's called Last Chance. And if you type the word grab, G-R-A-B. Hey, it's hard coming up with new words. I need to put my glasses on so I can see your comments. Anyway, who's excited that it's Friday? I am. You can see all kinds of glare in here. Hey, Mel. Hey, Sue. Hey, Kathy. Anyway, good morning, Tracy. We've got a whole section, like I said, that's last chance. That means it's limited quantities. Hey, Shirley. So I don't want y'all to miss it. Several things from the Peanuts line, from my line. And if you're a Perks member, you get 30% off all the time. And I have had 2 or 3 emails lately about people missing something that they wanted. And what's happening is with our new releases, things are like selling fast. And then we're not going to reorder because it's too close to the holiday season. We wouldn't be able to get them back in time. So I don't want y'all to miss anything. I know the birthday candles, I'm calling them birthday candles. The candles from yesterday sold out. Let me see if I can see what else. And look, I'm holding my phone. Hey, Deborah. Hey, Nancy. So y'all comment grab if you want to get a link to the items that are low in stock. Oh, my goodness. Let's see. Y'all know my welcome with the bow is in Last Chance, the North Star pattern, the holiday postcard. And also, y'all know the big 12 days that I did, with the pockets. That transfer is in Last Chance. So comment grab. And there's several others. I don't know if y'all remember the Birdcage that I did a while back. And then the Lord's Prayer is in there. And some surfaces too. Anyway, go over there and scroll down and look at everything. And I was going to quickly look and see if I could see. The You Light Up My Life candle sold out yesterday. The Cheers, My Dears sold out yesterday. I'm looking. So anyway, don't miss out. I love that Under the Mistletoe and Happy Merry Everything and the Enchanted Forest. So comment grab, go check out what's low in stock. That's Last Chance, GRAB. I'll send you a message and you just click and go check it out. If you're not a Perks member, go ahead and join Perks and then use your $20 credit when you place your order. And remember, you get 30% off all the time. And you get that $20. It's good for like 30 days, whenever your membership goes through. So friends, I hope you enjoy the day. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm going to do later for a project. And look, I took those pictures real quick this morning with these outfits on. I love them. I may keep both of them, even though one's a little tight. I may, get on some kind of walk and get this belly in shape. Anyway, thank y'all for your kind comments. And remember, comment grab, check your messages from me on Facebook, and don't let anything get away that you won't. All right, guys. Love y'all. See you later.